Hello, my little friends. So now today we will be learning about the needs of plants. All right. So plants had the most important their needs are four things. Okay. So they need four things to survive in this world. So what are the four things? Like humans, we need water to survive. We need oxygen. We need oxygen to survive. We need food to survive. We need clothes, shelter, right? But plants need four things to survive, and those four things are, I don't know if you guys can see the yellow thingy over here, it's too late. Sun. So the first thing they need is sun to survive, sun or light. Okay, plants won't survive in dark areas, they will die. Some plants need direct sunlight, some plants need indirect sunlight, but they need light. Okay, they need light. Plants need water. They won't live without water, they won't survive, so they need water. They need soil. So do you see the brown part over here, dirt? That's called the soil. They need soil. And then they need air, like we need oxygen, right, to survive. Plant need CO2, that is called carbon dioxide. It's a big word, hopefully you guys can remember. It is written like CO2. CO2 is the air plants need to survive. If they don't get CO2, they will die. Right? So these are the four needs of plant. Every plant need light, water. Water could be from rain if they're indoor, or if you are the one who's taking care of the plants, make sure you water your plants regularly. You should know that you provide them with soil and air. How you gonna ask me how we can provide air to the plants? That's a question. Humans can provide air to the plants. Do you know that? Yes. So what's happening is, we humans, when we're taking air inside, we are taking oxygen, and when we are exhaling, when we are taking the air out of our mouth, that's the CO2. That's exactly the carbon dioxide, the air that plants need. So if humans are close to the plants, they're helping plants to get air, that's CO2. Okay, so we humans give air to the plants. Don't do like go to the plants and start blowing. Don't do that. You can naturally breathe around the plants, and they can get their CO2 from humans and from animals as well. Okay, plants need carbon dioxide. That's the air they need to survive. So they need light. It could be sunlight. It could be direct sunlight or indirect sunlight. So if you have plants in your house, make sure they are close to the light. Don't place them in dark areas. They will die. They need water. Water is very important for the plants to grow. They need soil so that they can stand strong in the soil. They can get the nutritions, their food from the soil, and then air. I told you how they can get their air. So for needs of the plants, these are very important. And also they need some space. That's also kind of neat, because they need space to grow. If you just put them in a very tight container and they don't have enough room, they won't survive. Because you know how we're living in a house, we need a space to live. Same thing, plants need a space as well to grow better. All right, so these are the needs of the plants, and I'll be asking you. So please watch the video carefully. See you guys soon.